Hello. In today's video, we're going to talk about the electromagnetic radar, which measures the river level using electromagnetic waves at a distance. These sensors require extra care during installation because the connection cable can conduct water to the sensor. So, it's important to create a small drip loop near the end of the cable to prevent water from reaching the sensor. It's essential to ensure proper installation, since any mistake can lead to damage from weather exposure. As the equipment is quite expensive and around 20,000 reais, and data loss can also occur, care is vital. Even though it's a robust sensor built to last, it's recommended to add weather protection, such as a top cover to shield it from sun and rain. This increases the sensor's lifespan and ensures that, even if its internal protections wear out over time, it remains operational. Furthermore, because the sensor is installed in high-risk or elevated areas, safety is crucial. Use personal protective equipment and make sure to have proper training for working safely at height. If possible, have support from firefighters or a specialized height work team. Another safe solution is to use an articulated arm, which brings the sensor closer to you, making maintenance easier and safer. The external radar sensor is simple. It either works or it doesn't. The key difference lies in the installation quality. When properly installed, you'll avoid losses and work much more safely. Now, let's go through our best practices checklist. The following items were verified: drip loop properly installed, cable secured with safe slack, sensor free from reading obstructions, sun and rain, cover in place, safe access or use of articulated arm. And finally, remember to inspect the sensor and connector after heavy rain. Throughout this course, we've covered the care needed for data collection platforms, PCDS. This concludes our series of video lessons. Thank you for watching. Great work.